Okay, this is the most difficult application because it's not a regular label, it's a vinyl cutout. It's a vinyl material that you have to cut with a cutting machine. Then you have to weed out the excess or whatever's around the words or the graphics. You have to weed that out. Then you have to apply a transfer film, which you can see here. And right after you apply the transfer film, you pull it from that material. And that's what I ship to you. When you get it, you have to pull the transfer film from the base where the vinyl is, very slowly and almost flat, like what I'm showing right now. Once you apply it in your container, you squeeze it, make sure you just flatten it out as much as you can, either with a squeegee or with your fingers. And then you start peeling off the transfer film very, very slowly. And don't pull it like high above. You have to almost lay it down flat and then pull it. And then be careful if you see there are any letters pulling off, put it back again, press, rub the letters, and then keep pulling. And like I said, you have to do it really slow. You have to be careful. Once the application is done, it looks marvelous, but you have to be very, very careful. This is why it's expensive. But yeah, just be patient. Yeah, you need to go back and rub the letters again. Do that if you see that you can hold the tip of the letter and keep pulling transfer film. Do that, like I'm doing here. Go ahead and finish, and then pat everything down, and that's it. When you're done, you're done. But it is difficult, so just be patient and enjoy the application.